Okay, basically what I'm doing is I'm testing this video pinball. I can already tell there's a problem because the power button doesn't stay down, in which maybe it shouldn't, but it doesn't work because when you hit it, nothing happens. However, if you hold it, that starts to happen. And see, you almost want to catch it. There's something wrong with the switch. See, if I hold it, almost get some of the game. So the switch needs to be worked on. See? You can get it on, and it shuts off. So what's causing that? See, watch. There's no way for it to stay. It's a bad switch. So you got your reset. Let me press on that one. Press the reset. Trying. Nope. That feels okay. Now this one feels alright. I'm sticking. Basically hold this like a pinball machine. Your hands over here, like flippers. This is really, I don't know what's wrong with that. Maybe it's all gummed up inside. I've had one of these, and I remember when I pressed the button, it would turn on. So the button must have some kind of clip in here. Anything? So it wants to come on. So the switch needs to be fixed. Can't get it to stay on. Come on, stay on. It would be nice to just actually get it on and even see if it actually plays. Come on. I'm using my brand new RF switch. Stay there. Stay there. You're right there. Now, reset. Come on. How's this come apart? I'd like to try to fix this. Come on. If you can't put anything on, it's not heavy enough. The numbers are going nuts. That's what the numbers what it is. I guess when somebody says it doesn't work, I guess it doesn't work, huh? Very nice to fix this though. Sad. I've played this before. I've had this. Come on. Okay, so I'm going to take it apart.